see something cool. Watch this. What a beautiful day, dude! Woo! Oh, haven't done this in a while. Let's run. I haven't ran since August or September. Last time I came here, I don't know. We're getting shin splinties. Survivor, yeah! So cold. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get in. I hope so. Guess. This is so rough. Went to a walk. Oh, my quads aren't having it. And the people here today. Holy shit. So many people. Whew. Don't slip. Don't trip, don't trip. Don't hit a rock. Ah! Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck me. The quads aren't gonna let me run back. Oh, they want to cramp up. Leg day too hard today. The water was pretty cold, but not that cold. I would have thought it would have been fucking freezing. I had to pee so bad, but the trail was so busy. That's why I like early mornings. I'm the only one out here. I can pee wherever. Again, watch out for the rocks. People are looking at me like a psycho because I'm in swim trunks and shirtless. I need to cramp. Now I got this long ass walk all the way up the hill.